guys, it's Devin with Form Your Buns, and I'm here to teach y'all how to be crafty.
Today, as requested, we're gonna make a simple, beginner-friendly beanie. You're gonna need yourself some yarn, medium 4, a 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. The thing you're going to want to do is make yourself a slip knot. Insert your hook and pull. There you go. Alright, now you're going to chain 4. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through again. So now we have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we're going to go back into that first chain that we created. Insert your hook, grab some yarn, pull through, and then pull through again to make a slip knot. And we've created this little tiny hole here, and that's what we're going to be working into, is this hole. So now we're going to chain 2, yarn over, 1, yarn over, and 2. So now we're going to put 10 double crochets into this hole. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's 2. Now we want a total of 10. Okay, once we have 10, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We are going to insert our hook into that first double crochet we made, skip the chain 2, insert it into that first, grab yarn, pull through again. That's a slip knot. Pull tight, and then you can pull on the tail here to close the circle. So we're going to always chain 2. So this is going to be our first increase round. So we're going to put 2 double crochets in each stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into that first double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more double crochet in that same exact stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. Alright, moving on to the next stitch, same thing. 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, and 2. So now we have a total of 4. Into the next one, do another 2. Now we have a total of 6. So complete this round by placing 2 double crochets in each stitch for a total of 20. Once you come to the end of that round, you're going to go back to this first double crochet you made, insert your hook into the top of the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and pull through, making a slip. And again, chain 2. We will always end the row and start the row in the same exact way. We will slip stitch to the first double crochet, and then we'll always chain 2. So for this round, again, we're still increasing. We're going to put 1 double crochet into the first stitch, and then 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. So 1 double crochet in this first one, and then 2 double crochets in this next one. 1, 2. So that's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. And that's the pattern we're going to repeat now. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 more time, 1 double crochets, 1 double crochet, and then 2 crochets. So again, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Continue all the way around for a total of 30 stitches. Here we are at the end, and you're always going to want to put 2 double crochets into that last stitch. So that's 1 and 2. Again, slip stitch to the first double crochet, chain 2. All right, on to round 4. So you should have a total of 30 double crochets. In round 3, now into round 4, we're going to put 40 double crochets. You're going to start to see a pattern. We're going to put 2 singles and then a double. So 1 double crochet into the first stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochets in the third stitch, okay, now repeat that. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, so it's single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double, repeated all the way around for a total of 40. So I'll show you one more time. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. Okay, pause the video and work 2 singles and then a double all the way around for a total of 40. Here we are at the end of round 4. Again, you're going to end in a double with 2 double crochets in that same stitch. If you don't, go back and count, see where you messed up, and make sure you have 40. So now we're going to slip stitch to that first stitch we created, chain 2, and on to round 5. So now, if you've caught on to the pattern, we're going to do 3 double crochets in each stitch, 1, 2, and 3, and then a 2 in the fourth one. So single, 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 double, 3 single, 1 double, 3 single, 1 double. So 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, and then repeat. 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1, 2, 3 single crochet, 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1, 2. Continue this way all the way around your hat for a total of 50 stitches at the end. Okay, here we are at the end of round 5. Slip stitch to the first stitch you created, chain 2. Okay, on to round 6. Round 6 will be the last increase round. So this one we're going to do 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. So 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1, 2. Okay, and we're going to repeat that. 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1, and 2. So repeat that all the way around for a total of 60. Okay, here we are at the end of our 6th round. Insert your hook and make a slip stitch, chain 2. Okay, so we've increased for 6 rounds, and now we're going to stick with 60. So for round 7, you're going to put 1 double crochet in each stitch around for a total of 60. So insert your hook, double crochet, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue that way all the way around. Okay, at the end of the 7th row, and it's gonna want to curl this way, but if we take a look, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. Mine always has a tail on the inside. That's how I know that's the inside of the hat. So all you got to do is just keep telling it, no, you need to curl this way. And you can kind of see the top of your hat beginning. So you're going to continue like you did on this round 7. And just keep going. Slip stitch to join, chain 2, and 60 double crochets around, 1 in each stitch. Okay, here is the finished hat. It's about 9 inches from top to bottom here. I've just gone ahead and clipped the extra, and we're just gonna pull the tail through to create a knot. Gonna sew in the tail here. And then I just run along the bottom of these last double crochets. Like so. And then I just skip that and go all the way back to add some extra security. You can clip that one, and don't forget about the one inside. So there you have a really easy beginner-friendly hat.